Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Yes, a very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. Right. You can hear me and you can see the screen. All right, guys. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our last 3 days of our session. So, guys, in the very first day, like actually, we have started our sessions from Wednesday, 26th. 26th? No, 25th. 25th. Am I right? Yes, yes, yes. We have started our sessions from 25th. And on the day of 25th, that is the very first day, what I have discussed is I just gave you a small idea about like what is Java full stack developer course, like what are the modules which we are supposed to cover and how much time it is going to take. All the basic questions we have covered on Tuesday, that is on 25th, right? So actually, technically, we have started our technical demos from 26th onwards. 26th, yes. So what are the concepts which we have discussed, guys? I told you like in Java, there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there. Guys, is my voice clear? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So I told you in Java, there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there, like class, interface, and an enum. So we have seen what is the syntax of a class, what is the syntax of an interface, what is the syntax of an enum. By the way, what do you mean by syntax? Syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. Yes, exactly. So we have seen them, like what is the syntax of a class, what is the syntax of an interface, what is the syntax of an enum. We have already seen that. And before going to that syntax, I told you in Java we will be having 4 types of access modifiers. So what is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions. That's it. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Okay. And yes, I told you guys, for example, when we are speaking about basically, when we are speaking about a simple Java project, most of the time we are supposed to deal with Java classes. Means 90% of the time we will be dealing with Java classes, less than 10% interfaces and less than 2% enum. I told you. So we have started our sessions by understanding actually Java class, by under class. And yes, I told you that. I told you guys what I told you. Just a second. Just a second. Right, right. Okay, okay. So guys, I told you in these 4 access modifiers, how many we can use for a class? How many we can use for a class? Only 2. Only 2 access modifiers, right? So what are those? Public and default. Public and default. We cannot declare a Java class as private or protected. Sir, why we cannot declare a Java class as private or protected? Why we can declare a Java class as only public and default? Guys, we will be understanding that concepts whenever we are dealing with access modifiers. So you need to wait for that, guys. Please, kindly please wait for that. Okay. Now, after that, we have seen what is the syntax of a class. Yes, access modifier, class name, and open braces and close braces. Inside a class, guys, Rathod, Shankar, guys, I'll be able to answer your questions once the session is completed, not before that. In the middle, I may not be able to answer your questions. Can you please hold until the session is Completed? Shankar, please. Right. So guys, inside a Java class, what we can write? We can write variables, we can write methods, we can write blocks, and we can create objects. All right. So guys, can you please tell me, what is the use of a Java method? Just tell me, what is the use of a Java method? Did you remember that? Did you remember that? I'm asking you, what is the use of a Java method? That's it. Yes, exactly, guys. A Java method is used to write the business logic. A Java method is used to write the business logic. And I believe you remember the syntax of a Java method also. Like first, we need to write access modifier. After that, a return type. After that, method name. And then parenthesis, that is literally very important, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. And inside these braces, whatever we are writing, that is known as, what is that? That is known as method body or method functionality or method implementation, right? Yes. And guys, did you remember every Java program execution starts from which method? Every Java program execution starts from main method and end with main method. Yes. And when you are speaking about return type, guys, how many options we are having for writing the return type of a method? Exactly, four. What are those? Four. What are those? Void. We can use void. We can use all the 8 primitive data types. Here, guys, here. Okay. So what do you mean by those primitive data types? What are those 8 primitive data types? Like int, byte, short, long, float, double, char, boolean. All these we can use as method return type. We can use that. Means in the place of void, we can use int, we can use byte, we can use short, likewise all the 8 primitive data types, and we can use classes and objects also. But as of now, we are discussing about void method. As of now, what do you mean by void method? If you are declaring a method as void, if you are declaring a method as void, void methods will not return anything. Void methods does not return anything. That's it. Not more than that. And after that, we had seen some questions. We have seen some questions like how many methods we can write inside a class. We can write any number of methods, right? Methods. How many methods we can write inside a class? We can write any number of methods. No problem. And when a method will be getting executed, guys, this is literally very important. When a method will be getting executed, Shiva Dussa, I'll be discussing that. Kindly please wait for that. Wait for that, buddy. Wait for that. Don't go for the topics which I did not discuss. Okay, Shiva, can you please wait for that? Yes, please. Very good. So guys, when a method will be getting executed, a method will be getting executed only if we are calling that method. Now, how to call a method? We can call a method with the help of its respective class objects. Guys, this is important. This is literally very important. We need to call a method with the help of its respective class object. And guys, which method will be executed without calling? Which method will be executed without calling? Can you please tell me? Main method. Come on, not default. Main method will be getting executed without calling, right? Okay. Now, how to create an object? we need to create an object. We need to create an object with the help of new keyword, and we need to initialize that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same name as class name. Guys, up to here, these are the topics which we have discussed in our yesterday's class. So guys, you have received recordings only up to day before yesterday. Yesterday recording, you did not receive that. So what we'll be trying to do, yesterday's recording, day before yesterday's recording, and the very first day recording and today's recording. All these 4 video recordings, I'll be trying to send you by tomorrow afternoon. Am I clear with this, guys? Please respond. Yes. Now. So guys, I'm going to ask you a very important question. Kindly please observe here. Kindly please observe. Just a small note point. That is, we need to perform 2 tasks. We need to perform 2 tasks for seeing the output of our Java program. My question is, how many tasks we need to perform if we want to see the output? Okay, guys. Okay, now please observe here. Let me try to have a small Java class here. Okay, this is a Java class. I don't want to make it this much of big. Let me remove that. I just want to write a simple method, not more than that. Just a simple method. Hi, and here I'll be trying to write. This is calling a method. Okay, just let me remove that. And okay, I just want to write one more statement. That is copy, and I'm just writing one more statement as hello. Hello. Now, my question is, if I execute this program, what is my output? My question is, if I execute the program, what is my output? Guys, please try to give your outputs in one single message. Kindly please give your outputs in one single message. If you are giving me multiple outputs, I may not be able to check. One single message, please. Yes, exactly. First, what will be printed? First, hello will be printed. After that, first hello will be printed. Srinivasa, first hello will be printed. What I told you, buddy? What I told you? Every Java program execution starts from main method. Forget about how many methods you are having. Your program may have 10 methods, 15 methods, 20 methods, 100 methods. We literally does not matter. Directly start analyzing your program from the, guys, one more time I'm saying you, directly please start analyzing your program from the main method, directly from the main method. Okay, now in the main method, what I'm doing here, in the main method, I'm trying to print hello. Okay, hello will be printed in my console. After that, what is this? I'm creating an object. Okay, what is this? I'm trying to call a method. So from here, directly my compiler will be going to method 1, and after that, system.out.println hi, that is hi will be printed. After that, as in method 1, there are no statements. Directly it will be coming back to main method, and here there is one more statement left behind, that is Java is awesome will be printed. Okay, as simple as this. Now, sir, if I write 2 main methods, which main method will be getting executed? Guys, if you are trying to write exact same main method, you will be getting an error. Why? Because duplicate methods here. Are you understanding me, guys? Can we take one more method as method 1? Can we take one more method as method 1? Same method name, same method name. Come on, guys. I cannot, right? As of now, kindly please do remember that is not possible as of now. Okay. So here, this is our output. Like first hello will be printed. After that, hi will be printed. After that, Java is awesome will be printed. Okay. Okay. Now my question is, guys, if I want to see the output, how many tasks I need to perform? Did you understand my question? Did you understand my question? If I want to see the output, how many tasks I need to perform? I need to perform 2 tasks. What are those? First one is compilation. First one is compilation. Second one is running. First one is compilation and second one is running. Okay, guys, sir, what do you mean by compilation? Okay, guys, for example, I love India, India. Is it correct? Can I write an English sentence like this? No. Guys, do you know what? What you did just now, what you did is you have compiled my sentence. You have compiled my sentence means you have checked whether I have written according to the English grammar or not. Am I right? Am I right? Exactly. Exactly, guys. So whatever the code which we have written, whether this code is according to the Java language syntax or not, that checking is known as compilation. Are you understanding me, guys? Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Right? Yes. Now, what do you mean by compilation? Compilation means checking the code whether we have written according to the Java language syntax or not. Okay, sir. I understand what is meant by compilation. But my question is, who is going to compile? Java compiler. Am I clear with this, guys? Are you understanding me? Kindly please respond to me. Java compiler is going to compile, is going to check whether we have written our code according to the Java language syntax or not. Just let me try to write it like a small point. Please observe here. Java compiler is going to check whether we have written our program according to the Java language syntax or not. Am I clear with this, guys? Java compiler is going to check. Guys, please respond. Please. Okay. Yes, Java compiler is going to check whether we have written our program according to the Java language syntax or not. Now, sir, how do we know that our compilation is successful? How do we know that we have written the code perfectly? Right. After successful compilation, Java compiler will generate a .class file. Java compiler will generate a class file. Dot class file. Okay, guys, what is the extension of an image file? Image. Generally speaking, what would be the extension of an image file? Like JPG, like PNG, lot of formats are there, right? For example, if you are speaking about documents like .doc, .docx, PDF, are you understanding me? There are different extensions are there. Likewise, the extension for our Java program, like our class is .java. Okay, guys, please concentrate. After successful compilation, Java compiler will generate a dot class file. Okay, just listen. I'll explain. Don't worry. I'll explain you now. The generated dot class file consists of bytecode instructions which are understandable only by the machine. The generated dot class file consists of bytecode instructions which are understandable only by the machine. Guys, 3 points. Just 3 points. I told you just 3 points. What are those? First one is, what do you mean by compilation? Can you please tell me what do you mean by compilation? Compilation means checking the code whether we have written according to the Java language syntax or not. Who is going to compile? Who is going to compile? Who is going to compile? Respond. Don't sit idle, Nana. Please don't sit idle. Yes. Java compiler. How do we know that? Our compilation is successful? How do we know that our compilation is successful? A dot class file will be generated. Right. Can we understand that dot class file? Can we understand the dot class file? No, we cannot understand the dot class file. Why we cannot understand the dot class file? Because dot class file consists of bytecode instructions which are understandable only by the machine. Hang on. Okay. Now, guys, there is a command for compilation. What is that command? You know, Java C space file name dot Java. This is the command for compilation. Java C space file name, whatever the file you want to compile, that file name dot Java. That's it, not more than that. Now let us compile this program, guys. Shall we compile this program? Please respond in the chat for me. Shall we compile? Right. That is great. Okay, let me open my command prompt. I am opening my command prompt now. Guys, in this folder, as of now, how many files are there? Just tell me, how many files are there? Only one. What is the type of the file? Type of the file is Java. File type is Java file. What is the name of the file? Name of the file is class A. Okay. Now, guys, I believe you know the command for compilation. Java C space file file name dot Java. Java C space file name dot Java. Now, if I press enter, what will be happening? You know, Java compiler will compile this file. Let us check. 3, 2, 1, enter. Guys, did you observe? Did you observe what happened? Did you observe what happened? What got generated? What got generated? A dot class file. Class file, guys. Yes, this is a class file. Okay, shall we open that? Let us try to open that. Right. Can we read this? Can we understand this? No. Why we cannot understand this? Why? Because this is byte code, machine code, byte code or machine code. Who is supposed to understand this? Who is supposed to understand this? Machine. In our scenario, that machine is in our scenario, that machine is Java virtual machine, commonly known as JVM. Commonly known as JVM. I hope it's clear, guys. Are you understanding me? Please respond in the chat for me. Yes. Now, guys, if we want to run our Java program, okay, please tell me how many tasks we need to perform. How many tasks we need to perform? 2 tasks. Up to now, how many tasks we have did? Up to now, only one. What is that? Compilation. Fantastic. Who has compiled this? Who has compiled this? Java compiler. I'm impressed. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, guys, I want to run my Java program. If I want to run my Java program, am I supposed to provide this Java file or dot class file as an input to my JVM? Which file I need to provide? Java file or dot class file? Exactly. Dot class file. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, the command for running is Java space generated dot class file name. That's it. No extensions. Are you understanding this command? Java space generated dot class file name. That's it. Now let us check. Now Java space generated dot class file name, class A, and I want to press enter. 3, 2, 1. Am I getting my output, guys? Am I getting my output? Yes, I'm getting my output. So what happened here, JVM, whenever we are providing the generated dot class file as an input to the JVM is going to check whether all the bytecode instructions are correct or wrong. If they are correct, we will be getting our output. If they are wrong, we will be getting an error. Are you getting me? Now, let us try to write like a small point here. If we want to run our Java program, we need to provide the generated dot class file as an input to the JVM. If we, just a second, yes, if we want to run our Java program, we need to provide the generated dot class file as an input to the JVM. As an input to the JVM. Now, right. JVM will check whether the bytecode instructions present in the dot class file are correct or wrong. If they are correct, we will be getting our output. If they are wrong, we will be getting an error. Guys, are you able to understand this? Simple, normal English. Please respond in the chat for me. Are you comfortable with this? Please respond. Please respond. JVM will check whether the bytecode instructions present in the dot class file are correct or wrong. If they are correct, we will be getting our output. If they are wrong, we will be getting an error. That's it. That's it. Okay. So guys, right now, do you know what is meant by compilation? Do you know what is meant by compilation? Do you know who is going to compile? Who is going to compile? How can we prove that our compilation is successful? How can we prove that our compilation is successful? A dot class file will be generated. What consists of, like, inside the dot class file, what will be present? Inside the dot class file, what will be present? Bytecode or machine code. Can we understand that? Can we understand that? No, we cannot. Who is going to understand that? Who is going to understand that? By the machine. In our scenario, what is that machine? JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Fantastic, guys. Very good. Very good, guys. Literally. Very good. Very good. Now. So, guys, guys, again, one more time, I'm saying you, I'll be uploading all this data in our Google Classroom. Okay. Please don't worry. Please don't worry. Okay. Now, let me remove this. So guys, again, I'm saying you, most probably by Monday or Tuesday, I'll be letting you know how to download Java, which version of Java you need to download, how to install Java, which IDE we need to download, how to work on the IDE. For example, I will be using Eclipse IDE for all my sessions. Eclipse IDE. This is most popular IDE, most commonly used IDE. Okay. So I'll let you know like how to use this IDE. What are the shortcuts? I'll explain. No issues. Okay. Now. So guys, just please concentrate on my program right now. Kindly please concentrate on my program now. Simply, guys, I want to write some code, just simple code. Please observe. Void method1 int a equal to 10. Int a equal to 10. After that, system.out.println a value value is, guys, are you listening? Guys, please tell me, are you listening? Respond, please respond, please respond. A tip, guys, a tip. I'm giving you a tip. Please, please. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Please don't mind. Just a second. Okay, very good. Just a second. Nikhil, can you please unmute, buddy? Please. Nikhil? Nikhil, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem, Nikhil?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Nikhil, I think you are having a small trouble, buddy. Why, guys? Is my voice clear for others, or else only Nikhil is having a trouble? Nikhil, everyone is saying it is clear, buddy. Can you please check your mics, please?
Okay, sir.
Please, thank you, guys.
Yes.
Right. So, guys, please observe here. So, what I'm trying to say is, in like a tip, guys, a tip. In Java, any data present inside double quotes, any data present inside double quotes, that data is string. That data is string data. String, guys, string. string, string data. Any value, any data, if you are writing inside double quotes, blindly remember that that data is string data. What do you mean by string? String means it collects group of characters. String collects group of characters. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on characters are there, right? Guys, are you understanding me? Any data, again I'm saying you, any data present inside double quotes is a string data. Okay, now a value is plus a. Sir, what is the use of this plus? Guys, I am concatenating. What I'm doing? Concatenating. I am concatenating. Concatenating means joining. Concatenating means joining, joining, merging, connecting. I am concatenating a string value with a int value. Means in my console, guys, in my console, I just want to see a value is, what is a value? What is a value? 10. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Now, all right. That's it. Hang on. Now, guys, I want to, okay, guys, can you please tell me what is the access modifier for method 1? What is the access modifier method 1? Anita, public ka? Did I write public? Come on. Guys, don't forget the basics, please. Don't forget the basics. The access modifier. If I write public, then public. If I write private, then private. If I write PROTECTD protected, then protected. If I'm not writing anything, that is default. Don't forget that. Anita, is it clear? Amma? Very good. So right now, the access modifier The access modifier for this method one is default. Guys, kindly please don't worry about, sir, what is this package? Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Slowly, one by one, we'll be discussing that. Okay. As of now, I want you to concentrate only on the class. Please, just concentrate only on the class. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, okay, guys. Here, I just want to write main method. Okay. Public static void main string array args main method. Now, inside this main method, I am writing system.out.println hi. Now, is my method one is going to be getting executed or not? Method one will be executed or not? Guys, kindly everyone answer. Everyone answer, please. Please answer, please. I'm requesting you, please. Yes, guys, very good. Very few people are saying that it will be getting executed. Most of the people are saying that it will not be getting executed. That is 100% correct. That is 100% correct. Guys, method one will not be executed. Method one will not be getting executed. Why it will not be getting executed? Why method one will not be getting executed? Okay, please, can you please read this question? Please read this question. Please read this, please. Go ahead. Take time. Exactly. Guys, we did not call the method. We did not start the method. Okay. Ravi, we did not call the method. Okay. So my question is, how to call a method, guys? Do you know that how to call a method? We need to call a method with the help of its respective object. Guys, directly don't say new. Please directly don't say new. Okay. How to call a method? How to call a method? With the help of its, Tarun, again, you're saying new. Don't say new. The answer is not new. My question is very, very simple. How to call a method? We need to call a method with the respective class object. That's it. Okay. Now, how to create an object? Now you need to say how to create an object. We need to create an object with the help of new keyword. After that, what I need to do? After new keyword, after creating an object with new keyword, what I need to do? I need to initialize with the help of a constructor. And constructor name is same as class name. Now, this is an object. Now, let me try to have a name. AOBJ name. I'm giving a name for that object. Just a name. Guys, do you think that every time I need to give AOBJ only, or else any name I can give? Can I give any name? Yeah, literally, I can give any name. Okay. Now, this name belongs to that name, that reference belongs to class A. That name, that reference belongs to class A. Now, guys, can you please give me the code to call a method? I want to call a method. Can you please give me the code? Please give me the code how to call a method. Give me completely. Tarun, Mukesh, you are missing something. Guys, I want to call a method. AOBJ AOBJ dot method 1. AOBJ dot method 1. That is how we need to call a method. If you are simply writing AOBJ method 1, that is not correct. That is not correct. You need to write parenthesis and a semicolon also. Syntax, guys, syntax. Am I clear with this? Kindly please respond in the chat, guys. Am I clear with this? That is very good. That is very good. Okay, guys, very good. Now, please observe here. If I execute my program, uh, Pooja, you're saying, sir, please speed up. Pooja, not exactly, Tali. Like, I understand you want me to speed, but no, not exactly. Why? Because slowly, a lot of non-IT, non-CSC people are there in my batch, especially my batches. Okay, so I'll be going in a particular pace. I hope you're understanding me. Okay. Right. So guys, please observe here. Now I want to run my program. Kundan, just listen. Kundan, please listen. Now I want to run my program. Okay. Let me run it. Right click, run as Java application. Now, guys, did you see my output? Did you understand my output? Just tell me, did you understand my output or not? Please tell me. Please, anyone, please respond. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Fantastic, guys. Very nice. Very nice response. Very nice response. Now, please observe here. Please observe here. System.out.println A plus 90. A plus 90. What is my output here? What is my output here? Exactly. What I'm doing here, guys, I am performing addition. So here my output will be 100. My output will be 100. Right click, run as Java application like this. Sir, here you have joined. Yes, guys, what is this value? What is that? I told you, what is that? That is a string. You are joining string with a integer. Now, what is this? What is A? What is A? A is a integer. Integer plus integer. Adding here, addition will be done, and here you will be getting your output as 100. For example, if I write minus, now I'll be getting my output as exactly minus 80. Minus 80. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Very good, guys. Very good. Now, hang on. Just let me try to write it as plus. Okay. Now I'm trying to take one more method. Void method 2. Now, please observe here. Okay, Abhishek, you're asking, sir, how minus 80 comes? Abhishek, if I'm giving minus symbol, what is A value? A value is 10. 10 minus 90. What is the value? 10 minus 90, buddy. Mathematics, simple maths. Did you understand it? Abhishek. Abhishek, you need to respond. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, Abhishek. For example, if we are writing 90 minus A, what is our output? 90 minus 10. 80. We'll be getting an output as 80 here. Okay. Are you understanding me? Okay, you're not responding, buddy. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now, let me come to method 2. Let me come to method 2. Now, in method 2, int a equal to 99. Int a equal to 99. System dot out dot println, and here I am writing method 2 called. Method 2 called, and after that I am writing system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println addition, addition, addition value plus a plus 1, addition value a plus 1. Now, sir, in method 1 you have written a, in method 2 also you have written a. Guys, this a belongs to, this a value belongs to method 1. Sir, what is this one? Guys, this is a variable. That is a variable. So this a belongs to method 1 and this a belongs to method 2. So this is different. This is different. No problem. Not at all a problem. Are you understanding me? Very good. Very good. Now, guys, I want to call method 2 from method 1. Is it possible or not? I want to call method 2 from method 1. Is it possible or not? Very good. It is possible. How? What I need to do first? What I need to do first? Sir, first create an object. Very good. Okay. Let me try to create an object. New class A. I'm creating an object belongs to AOBJ belongs to class A. I had created an object. Sir, but object is already available here now. Can I use the same object? Can I use the same object? Can I use the same object in method 1? No, I cannot use. I cannot use. Why? Because guys, right now my compiler is not present in method 1, like not present in main method. It is present in method 1. So I cannot use. Okay, for example, yes, for example, if I'm writing aobj dot method 2, if I'm trying to call like this, why I'm getting an error? Why I'm getting an error? Because compiler does not know what it is. It does not understand what is AOBJ. It does not know. You don't understand. Am I clear with this? Guys, kindly please respond. Am I clear with this? Please. Compiler will be able to understand only if we are using this AOBJ in the main method. But we are not using that AOBJ in the main method. The scope of this object, is only within this main method. But we are not present in this main method. Right now we are going in method 1. So what we need to do? We need to create one more object. New class A, and let me try to give a name. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. See, immediately my error got resolved. Yes? Yes or no? Exactly. Now I'm just trying to write system.out.println 1000. I'm just writing some data, just the data. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now if I execute my program, what is my output? If I execute my program, what is my output? Shall I analyze? Shall we analyze? Shall we analyze, guys? Line by line, step by step, we'll be analyzing. Okay, step by step. Now, first, how many methods we are having in our program? How many methods we are having in our program? 3 methods. Which method will be called automatically? Which method will be called automatically? Main method. We are supposed to start analyzing our program from which method? We are supposed to start analyzing our program from the main method. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, forget about remaining methods. This is method 1, this is method 2, this is main method. Forget about all others. Directly come to main method. Main method. Guys, you can write main method. Akash, listen. How 3 methods? These are 3 methods. Method 1, method 2, and main method. Main method is also a method, na? Akash, is it a method or not? Come on, buddy. Yeah, concentrate. Please concentrate. Okay, guys, please listen. Main method, it is not mandatory to write main method always in the last. It is not mandatory to write main method always in the last. You can write main method in the beginning of the program, in the middle of the program, or else in the last. No issues. My habit is I'm writing last. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Wherever you are writing the main method, first main method will be getting executed. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, guys, please. Main method system.out.println hi. System.out.println hi. So first our output will be hi. Guys, you need to concentrate, please. Please concentrate. Please concentrate correctly. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Why? Because after this program, I am going to give you a task. After this program, I'm going to give you a task. Okay? Right. Okay, guys, please observe here. Main method. In the main method, first I'm having system.out.println. This is used to print a statement. So hi will be printed in the console. First hi will be printed in the console. Now Kumar, Chandrabhavan Kumar, please log off and log in again, buddy. Please log off and log in again. Okay, right. Hi. Now after that we are creating an object. Here what we are doing, creating an object. Okay, now line number 24, what we are doing in line number 24, we are calling a method. We are calling a method. Now I'm just trying to write one more statement, that is end. Okay, so from line number 24, my compiler will be going to which method? Can you please tell me the line number? Tell me the line number. From line number 24, my compiler will be directly going to line number 5. Line number 5. Guys, line number 25 executed or waiting for execution? Line number 25 executed or waiting for execution? Exactly, guys, exactly. It is waiting for execution. Okay, let us go to line number 5. In line number 5, what is this? Int a equal to 10. What is that? That is a variable. Okay, no problem. That is a variable. Fine. Now system.out.println a value is plus a. What is a value? 10 will be printed. After that, next statement, line number 9, system.out.println 90 minus a. 90 is a number minus, okay, subtracting a. What is a value? 10. So what is our output? Our output should be 80 will be printed. After that, in line number 10, again we are creating an object. Okay, no problem. In line number 11, we are calling a method. Where in line number 11, we are calling a method. That is good. So from line number 11, our compiler will be going to, come on guys, exact. Wow, guys, literally you are impressing me. Very good, very good, very good. So from line number 11, our compiler will be coming to line number 14, right? That is method 2. Is line number 12 executed or waiting for execution? It is waiting. When it will be getting executed? When it will be getting executed? Whenever the compiler comes back, right? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Whenever the compiler is coming back, at that time only line number 12 will be getting executed. Okay. So from line number 11, our compiler will be directly coming to line number 14. Okay. This is one more variable. This is one more variable. Now, okay. In method 2, system.out.println, method 2 called will be printed. Method 2 called will be printed. After that, system.out.println, that is addition value. Okay, addition value plus a plus 1. Tell me, what is a value? What is a value? A value is 99. 99 plus 1. 10 right? Weak in max. 99 plus 1 here. 100. 100 will be printed. Now, guys, are there any statements left behind? No. What is the calling method of method 2? What is the calling method of method 2? Calling method means from which method we are calling method 2? From which method we are calling method 2? We are calling method 2 from method 1. So after this statement, directly our compiler will be going back to line number 11. After line number 11, you have one more statement, that is system.out.println 1000. So 1000 will be printed. Are there any statements left behind? Are there any statements left behind? No, no statements. So what is the calling method of method 1? What is the calling method of method 1? The calling method of method 1 is main method. So after executing this statement, directly my compiler will be going to line number 24, and after that we are having line number 25, that is system.out.println end should be printed. End should be printed. Let us see, guys, whether we are going to get the same output or not. Let us check. Fingers crossed. Okay, high. A value is 10, 80, method 2 called, addition value 100, 1000, and N. Am I clear with this, guys? Guys, please respond here. Please respond. Is it clear for everyone? Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Very good. So guys, do me a favor. Can you please note down this program? After writing this program, I'm going to give you a task. Naveen, you can do this. I believe you. You can do this. After writing this program, I'm going to give you a task. Please write this program in the notes. Go ahead. Please go ahead. Guys, Java is awesome. Yeah, Java is awesome. You will fall in love with Java. Trust me. Go ahead. Divya, not right now, Tali. As of now, I'll be dealing with core. Once core Java is completed, if I'm free, basing upon my schedule, I'm going to teach remaining modules. Okay, Divya? Guys, first, please, first write program, Madhuri, method overloading, overriding, not right now, Tali, later. Please write the program first. Paranati, you're saying, sir, it is ocean. Okay. I need to have a word with you. PR. Okay. Paranati, unmute. Paranati Hanrao, unmute. Please unmute, buddy. It's okay. Don't be. Come on. Feel free in my class. Come on. Feel free. There is a reason. Guys, most of the time people will be thinking that Java is a ocean. Yeah, I'm not saying no for that. For example, you are having a small pond or a small lake. Okay, small pond or small lake. How many fish you can catch in that pond or in that lake? How many fish you can catch? Limited number. But in an ocean, how many fish you can catch? Fish is job. Are you getting me? So there are a lot of job opportunities are there, yeah. I told you, you will fall in love with Java. Trust me. First, please write this program for me, please. Please write this program, please. You can learn, Nishad, you can learn. Using Eclipse, using Java, I'll let you know after 2 days. Please wait for that. Please wait for that. Please wait for that. Guys, please wait. Hold your questions. Hold your questions. Hold your questions, please. I may not be able to answer. Please hold. Hold. You can survive, Narsimha. You can survive. Vijay, you will be getting through mail. Deepraj, JDK, JRE, JIT. We will be discussing that, yeah. We will be discussing that. What is a constructor? We will be discussing that, but not right now. All the concepts not in one class. You will be confused if I'm saying that. So wait for the topic. We cannot learn all the concepts in one day. Am I right or wrong? Please wait for that. Wait for that. All I'm asking is just please wait for that. Completed writing the program? Ready for a task? Ready for a task? Guys, if anyone is writing, please tell me. I'll wait or else I'll... Okay, wait. Okay. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, please. Rupali, we can do that. We can do that. But before that, I want to let you know how a Java program execution starts. Okay? Slowly we'll be I'll be trying to increase that. Please wait. Bhageshwar, yes, that is also a string. Kumar, you will be getting a mail. You will be getting a mail. Okay, guys. I hope you have written the program. I hope you have written the program. Now, task time. Task time. Note down a program. Note down the program. I challenge you. Note down the program. Note down the program and give me the output for this program. Note down the program. Narsimha, you are asking, sir, where is main method? Wait, still methods are there. First, you need to write this. First, you need to write this. Take this as a challenge, guys. Please take this as a challenge. You can do this. Note down the program in the notes, in your notebooks. Please note down the program in the notebooks. I believe you can do this. Ganesh, please wait for that. Please wait for that, Ganesh. Please wait. Note down the complete program, then you'll understand. Method 1 completed. Wait, Umesh, wait. Please wait. Guys, we are planning to survive our careers in Java. So please don't get scared of lengthy program. Okay? Please don't get scared of lengthy program. Just follow the basics. Just follow the basics. You can do this. I know you can do this. That's it. That's the program. Give me the output for this. Now, please give all your outputs in one single message, please. In one single message. Yeah, Mukesh, I got it. Mukesh, I got your output. Pawan, Pratyusha, I got your outputs. Please send it. Please send it. Send them. Send them. All right. Okay, guys, I'll do one thing. Let me copy this program and let me try to paste it in the Eclipse. Now, guys, I'm impressed, guys. A lot of people are giving me the correct outputs. That is literally very good. That is very good. That is very good. Now, let me show you the output. Shall I show you the output? Shall I show you the output? Right. Now, guys, the output is right click, run as Java application. And this is the output. This is the output. How many of you got correct outputs? Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands. How many of you got correct outputs? Raise your hands. Go ahead. Go ahead. Wow. Please continue. Continue. Go ahead. Very good, guys. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So, guys, just a second. Just a second. Please check your chat box. Guys, please check your chat box. Did you receive the links for last 3 days of session? Rabia, I strongly advise you, please connect through laptop. That would be great. Mobile, you will be having a trouble, Rabia. Now, guys, those three links are my previous days sessions. Okay. So today video also I'll be trying to upload by tomorrow, not now. Okay. Now I will tomorrow, guys, tomorrow I'm going to start my class by explaining this program. Is it okay? Tomorrow I'm going to start my class by explaining this program. But in the meantime, can you please note down this output for me? Just please note down this output and you check. Right now you got wrong output. I mean, some people got wrong output. I understand. But just check for one more time. Can you do that for me? Please tell me, yaar. Can you do that for me? Guys, just in a matter of 3 days, you guys are able to analyze 50 lines of code. 50 lines of code. Are you understanding what you are achieving here? Exactly. Did you remember what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. I told you that Saturday I'm going to ask you a question, right? Yes. 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 We'll be discussing that in our tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed our session. I hope you literally enjoyed our session there, and we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys. So kindly please, and one more thing, guys, and the people who did not registered yet. You guys are supposed to register. Why? Because from Monday onwards, this link will not be working. From Monday onwards, this link will change. This link will change. Maybe they may change tomorrow. I don't know, but mostly 100% from by Monday, this link will not work. Okay. So kindly please complete those payment details and everything here. Okay. All right, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Ramya, display the full code. Ramya, it is not, place is not sufficient here, Ramya. I cannot display the complete code. That is the only reason I gave you the time to write. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, don't miss tomorrow's session. Why? Because tomorrow we'll be discussing in-depth concepts regarding methods. Up to now, we have seen only just basic void methods. So tomorrow we'll be discussing about something more. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Yes, very good, guys. Very good. We'll discuss that. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bhuneshwar, yeah, I'm receiving your messages. I can see your messages, buddy. Okay. Right. Somnath, I will teach. I cannot teach complete course. Why? Because time will not be sufficient, Somnath. As of now, I'm dealing with core. Once, if I completed core, if I'm free, I'll be going with remaining modules also. That depends upon, according to my schedule, Somnath. Okay. Right, guys. Right. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.